Hey, it's Joy and welcome to Chimney Rock, North Carolina. We're gonna do a little tour of the town. I'm on my trusty bicycle. Let's go. All right, this is cool. It's a tiny town in the mountains in North Carolina. It's called Chimney Rock, which is named after one of the rocks that looks like a chimney. What do they got here? Candles, some fudge. It's a really cute town. Bubba O'Leary's. I used to know a dog named Bubba. It's a good dog. All right, we'll go. Gem mine, the old Chimney Rock gem mine. Chimney sweeps. Perils, they got a telescope. I wonder what the telescope looks like. Oh, Chimney Rock State Park. That looks like fun. Oh, up there, okay. If you look to the left, you see that rock that looks like a chimney? And it's got a flag on top of it. It's a cute little town. Come along with me through Chimney Rock NC, and we'll climb up on the mountain. Psych, I'm too tired. Come along with me as we explore this city. Although it's not really a city, the population goes up because of me. Here's some vineyards. Oh, this is the coolest part of the town. This is the coolest part of the town. Seriously, look at this awesome little kids amusement park. But honestly, if they let me ride this stuff, like, I think adults would have fun here too. Imagine this being open to like adults at night. It would be fun to just hang out here and like ride little amusement park rides. Or am I weird? Or is weird good? Maybe you're not weird, and that's weird. Maybe it's weird to not be weird. I don't know. But this is awesome. I want to ride this train. This is super cool. Anyhow, that's it. That was the town. All right, thanks for checking out Chimney Rock for me. It was like a whole block or two. That was cool. Follow along because I go around all types of places in November. I'm doing 30 towns, 30 days, 30 live streams. If I brought you joy, give me a follow.